Deep in the darkest parts of the ocean, where sunlight dies and silence rules, lives a creature scientists once believed could not exist. A fish with a head as clear as glass, two glowing green eyes that rotate inside its skull, and a way of seeing the world unlike anything on Earth. This is the barrel-eye fish, the strangest animal in the deep sea. In the deepest regions of the ocean, where the world turns into eternal night, where sunlight dies long before reaching the seafloor, there exists a creature so strange and so unreal that scientists once questioned whether it was even possible. A creature with a transparent head, glowing green eyes shaped like tubes, and a body that seems built specifically for the darkness. This is Macropina microstoma, better known as the barrel-eye fish, one of the most bizarre and visually shocking animals ever discovered in the deep sea. To understand why this fish looks like something from another world, we must descend into the ocean's twilight and midnight zones beneath 600 meters, where the water is cold, the pressure is crushing, and the world is completely foreign to anything we experience on land. Beneath the surface, as sunlight weakens and eventually disappears, life changes dramatically. Most fish rely on eyesight, speed, or camouflage to hunt or avoid predators. But in the deep sea, there is no landscape, no color, and often no movement at all. Here, survival requires a completely different set of tools, ones that evolution rarely uses anywhere else on the planet. And this is precisely where the barrel-eye fish thrives. What makes this creature famous, almost unbelievable, is its transparent head. Imagine a clear, glass-like dome covering its skull, revealing everything inside: soft tissues, fluid chambers, and two glowing green cylinders that point upward like a pair of telescopes. These are the barrel-eye's eyes, not on the side of its head like normal fish, not forward-facing like predators, but embedded inside its transparent dome, protected, stabilized, and capable of rotating inside the skull. This design may seem like something out of science fiction, but it serves a critical purpose. In a world where almost no light exists, the barrel-eye fish must gather every photon it can find. Its tubular eyes are shaped like long cylinders pointing upward, designed to catch the faintest glimmer of light drifting from the surface. But light alone isn't what they are looking for. They are searching for silhouettes, shadows of animals swimming above them. The deep ocean is so dark that even a tiny creature swimming overhead stands out like a shadow against faint background light. These shadows are potential meals. But what about the transparent head? Why evolve something so strange, so fragile, and so exposed? The answer lies in food, specifically the difficulty of stealing it. Barrel eyes often feed beneath colonies of siphonophores, massive, tentacled, jelly-like predators that capture small animals with stinging cells. The barrel-eye fish approaches from below, steals trapped prey, and avoids getting stung thanks to the protective dome covering its head. The transparent shield isn't just for vision, it's armor against poison. Inside this dome, the fish's upward-facing tubular eyes gather dim light with extraordinary efficiency. The green pigmentation inside the eyes acts like sunglasses, reducing brightness from bioluminescent organisms and helping the fish focus on silhouettes. But what surprised scientists for decades was the question: if the eyes point upward, how does the fish see forward? How does it eat? In 2009, researchers using a remotely operated vehicle made a groundbreaking discovery. The barrel-eye fish can rotate its eyes inside its head, turning them forward when it wants to feed. This meant that the creature could search for prey above, then shift its focus forward as it moves in to strike. It is a level of anatomical specialization rarely seen in any animal on Earth, almost like having a built-in periscope. The deep sea presents endless challenges. The pressure can reach more than 100 times what we experience at the surface. The water is nearly freezing, and food is extremely scarce. Every adaptation must be precise, efficient, and specialized. And the barrel-eye fish is a masterpiece of deep-sea engineering. Its body is delicate and almost motionless. It floats with near-perfect neutral buoyancy, wasting almost no energy. Its fins move slowly, carefully, as if it were drifting through space. There is no speed, no chase, no struggle, just slow, calculated movement. In a world where energy is precious and mistakes are fatal, stillness is survival. Its mouth is small, not built for tearing or hunting, but perfect for snatching small drifting creatures. Its ability to rotate its eyes gives it two modes of targeting: upward surveillance and forward feeding. With these abilities combined, the barrel eye can steal food from deadly siphonophore nets without injuring itself. And its transparent head is not just a casing. It is filled with a clear fluid that protects the eyes and provides optical stability. The dome allows the eyes to remain hydrated, protected from toxins, and free to rotate smoothly without resistance. The structure looks fragile, but it is perfectly suited for deep ocean life, where collisions and attacks are rare. Danger moves slowly in the abyss. But the true beauty of the barrel eye fish comes from its uniqueness. There is no other animal like it. No other creature has a completely clear head that reveals its internal organs. No other deep-sea fish has tubular eyes that rotate inside a skull of transparent tissue. It is an evolutionary solution so bizarre and so unexpected that it feels almost alien. And yet, this creature is a natural product of Earth's most extreme environment. The barrel eye's world is one of complete silence. No waves, no plants, no sunlight, just an endless black void, broken only by occasional bioluminescent flashes from drifting jellyfish or small plankton. In this darkness, form follows function. Strange shapes succeed. Transparency becomes camouflage. Adaptations become more dramatic the deeper life goes. This is not a world we were meant to see. And yet, thanks to deep-sea exploration technology, we have glimpsed it and discovered life that stretches the limits of imagination. The barrel eye fish has been known scientifically since the 1932nd, but living footage of it was only captured recently. Before that, scientists studied dead, damaged specimens brought up by nets. The transparent head would collapse, leaving only exposed organs. This led to decades of misunderstanding about how the barrel eye actually lived. It wasn't until researchers observed it alive in its natural habitat that the truth emerged. The transparent dome was intact, fluid-filled, and essential. The tubular eyes were mobile. The fish was far more graceful and controlled than anyone expected. When researchers first saw a living barrel eye floating before their cameras, they described the moment as surreal, like seeing a creature designed for another planet, end quote. And in many ways, they were right. The deep sea remains the least explored environment on Earth. Less than 5% has been studied directly. Every year, scientists discover new species with adaptations even stranger than the last. And yet, the barrel eye fish remains a symbol of deep-sea mystery, a reminder that life evolves in unimaginable ways when shaped by extreme conditions. Its transparent head challenges our idea of what a fish should look like. Its tubular, rotating eyes challenge our understanding of vision. Its slow, precise movements challenge our assumptions about survival. Everything about the barrel eye fish reminds us that evolution is not limited by beauty or familiarity. It is driven by necessity, shaped over millions of years in the silent darkness. The barrel eye fish is more than a biological curiosity. It is a testament to life's ability to adapt, transform, and survive in places humans may never truly understand. It is proof that even in the darkest parts of the world, life finds a way not through aggression or power, but through innovation, subtlety, and extraordinary specialization. In the end, the barrel eye fish is not just a creature with a transparent head. It is a window into a world beyond our imagination, a living example of evolution's creativity, a silent observer drifting through the planet's most mysterious realm. And perhaps the most astonishing truth of all is this: the deeper we explore the ocean, the stranger the world becomes, revealing life that challenges everything we think we know about biology, survival, and the limits of what is possible.